Round and around, like, because look at the sky, it's raining. This side is completely normal, but over here it's going all the way over there. Okay, let's see if it goes like that. Slightly moving. Slightly moving, look. Magnetic field, it should have. Magnetic field should be somewhere over there. Let's just find out. Yeah, lightning. See if we can catch on film now. It's all the way over there. Try to zoom in. Hold on, camera lens is dirty. Blurry. Oh, there it goes. Yeah. Oh, I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but if you saw, I don't know, I saw lightning over there somewhere. I don't know if the camera's picking it up. So yeah, Spurs flying around everywhere now. Focus, focus, focus. Oh. Puppies are crying. Puppy over there crying. Rain's going over there and all the way over back there. Whoa. Did you see anything? Let me know on the timestamp, cause I'm behind the camera. I'm like looking everywhere. From like over there, like over there to back there to over there, right there. Let me know if you see anything on the timestamp. Just leave a timestamp and let me know if you see anything. For right now, the compass is incredibly still, pointing north like it should. Let's see. Let me know on the timestamp to see if anything. You see anything? It's a light from the neighbor's house. Just let me know if you see anything. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm catching a corner out of the corner of my eyes. And I'm trying to move as quickly as I can to get there. But you could hear it, right? Oh, there they go. You see that? Anyways, gotta stop it right here.